present an educational activity about flowers and leaves. We all know that our nature is far most the best gift given to us by God, and so are the wonderful flowers and leaves which we see around us. Some beautiful examples of flowers are lily, rose, tulip, daisy, sunflower, hibiscus, etc. And many of leaves are elliptic leaves, pinnately lobed leaves, etc. So we in our activity took some flowers and leaves, dried them and pasted them in scrap copy. The further information to you would be given by
So, here are some leaves of the plant, and this is money plant. The scientific name of the money plant is Epiprem aureum. It brings prosperity and goodness in the house. Next is Tulsi. The scientific name of Tulsi is Ochrym tertiforum. It is used in fever, common cold, etc. It is also a holy plant. Next is Erica palm, and scientific name of Erica palm is Diapsis utensis. It is an air purifier and can be used as an indoor plant. Next is stevia. The scientific name of stevia is Stevia rebaudiana. It is used to prevent cancer and also helps to lose our weight. Next is rosemary. The scientific name of the rosemary is Salvia rosmarinus. It improves our immunity and memory. We can also use it in our daily life drinks like tea. And the further information to you would be given by Shivanshi.
Good evening everyone. Today I Shivanshi is here to tell you some characteristics of few plants and flowers.
Peepal tree leaves. It is used to cure asthma. It is the only tree which gives oxygen in day as well as in night. Tulsi plant or holy basil. It is rich in vitamin C and zinc, and it is also a natural immunity booster. Bay leaf or tej patta. It is a source of vitamin A and it is also used as spices. Snake plant. It is a great oxygen producing house plant. It removes air pollutants and absorbs carbon dioxide in night. Mint leaf. They are rich in nutrients, could improve brain function, and are also used as a mouth freshener. Now, flowers. Dahlia. It is used as extraction in dyes. It is also used as a cosmetic. Mogra or Arabian jasmine. It contains natural antiseptic components. It is also used as a scent ingredient. Rose. It relieves headache. Rose's leaves are dried and are used for making medicines. Rosy periwinkle. It is the flower from which cancer medicine is formed. It is also used as a cough remedy. Daisy. It helps brightening skin. It is useful for respiratory health. Thank you.
Last but not the least, a very warm good morning to one and all. Today, I, Vanshika Sharma of Class 8C, is here to give a vote of thanks to all of our hardworking teachers who really worked hard during this pandemic to make us keep learning. We hope that you and your families are safe and well. The current circumstance we live in are unknown to us all and bring a lot of challenges with them. But our teachers have gone the globally extra mile and made the transitions from blackboard to online classes. Apart from online classes, our school organized various activities to develop the mind of the students. So, at last, I would like to give a hearty vote of thanks to all of our hardworking teachers on the behalf of all the students of Mount Carmel School, Palampur. Thank you for guiding us. Thank you and have a grateful day.